One of the other features about the Temco machine, it's real nice. Let me turn it around here so you can see the back of it. See how easy that moves around? Now this feature, this is a lift-off cowling that covers and protects all of your components on the back of the machine. Let me show you how easy this is to lift off. Grab the handle, cinch it up, move it out of your way. And you have complete access to the back of the machine and all your components on the back for servicing. You get good volume, good pressure. Generates 100 GPM and 60 pounds of pressure. This is a sealed bearing gear motor here that operates your drive system for your turntable. We also use a wire wheel drive to drive the turntable. We've tried other methods in the past, and we know that competitors will use belts and chains and sprockets and all these other things, which if you bind something up or something falls over in the machine, binds that turntable, you've broken a belt, you burn up your motor, or you've broken a chain. So or you stripped a gear. And I know there are a lot of guys out there who have a lot of problems with these types of drive systems. So that way you don't have to worry about belts breaking, chains coming loose, or sprockets being stripped. So you got a real nice system. And also here's your oil skimmer we were talking about right here, your pump here, and you also have the ability to adjust the temperature back here too. You have a thermostat located right in here, and that is going to allow you adjustment. The machine operates at 180 degrees normal operating temperature. You can adjust that lower if you want. You do have that ability, so it is thermostatically controlled. And that's the standard features on the Temco washers. The electrical system is basically the same on each machine. Some of them carry a little higher amperage in the larger units, but the system is exactly the same on each machine. That way it's all common and very easy to troubleshoot and maintain. First of all, let's look at the control panel. This is a NEMA 12 box. It's watertight. You've got your heat switch here. This gives you the ability to turn off and on your heaters right here at the front of the machine. You've got your wash cycle timer here. You can go out all the way out to an hour. Most parts on this machine can be cleaned in less than 15 minutes. Average case is about 8 to 10 minutes in most cases on the dirtiest stuff you'll wash. Also, you've got your oil skimmer switch here. This operates your oil skimmer on a manual. You also have a turntable switch here. Now the turntable switch is kind of neat because you have the ability to stop the rotation of the table and spot wash. So if you have some heads or a block that's really nasty and you're trying to get down into some deep alleyways or deep crevices, you can position the part on the turntable, spraying where the spray is spraying right into those deep crevices, and spot wash that item with the turntable rotation off by using the turntable switch. You also have a jog position here. Now with this jog position, if you have parts that are in the back of the machine and you want to bring them around to the front so you can more easily access them and get them off the machine, you can hold this switch over to the right, and that will allow you to operate the turntable with the door open. That way it makes for easy and loading and unloading of parts. One other thing that I'd like to show you is how easy and simple our electrical system is. You know, again, you guys work on stuff that is a whole lot more complicated than these machines, and the last thing you want to do is have to worry about troubleshooting a real complicated piece of equipment. So what we've done is we've simplified the electrical system. Now here, you'll notice we've got your controls in here. Now this is your controls. You've got your breaker switches. All your switches in here are, and you can see everything is very simple, laid out very nicely, color-coded wiring in here, and everything matches your wiring diagram here, which is a sticky back control and an expanded view of the same system on a wiring diagram. That way it's very easy to read. You have everything at your fingertips that you need for accessing controls. Now another thing that is really nice about the Temco units and all of our washers is the ability to access parts. If you ever need parts for this machine, your operations manual goes through and has a page dedicated to parts replacement with Grainger part numbers. Most everybody knows about Grainger. They know who Grainger are. Most of you guys have a local Grainger in your area. So if you need to access parts, of course you can contact us at any time. The 800 number to access parts through us at the shop is right here. You've got your 800 number, and you're going to get me on the phone, and 9 times out of 10 I'm going to answer the phone. And if you need parts locally through your Granger, we can get that name or number of the local Granger for you, or we can ship you parts directly from Temco. It's however you want to handle it. You do have, on every one of our machines, we have a 2-year parts and labor warranty and a 10-year structural warranty that covers the structural integrity of the machine. Now, one thing that we do here, we are very serious about our customer service. If for any reason you have a problem, you call us, you're either going to get me directly on the phone, or I will call you back. You leave me a message and I will call you back within the hour. Now, if for some reason I don't call you back within the hour, you can be assured I'm probably dead. That's how serious we are about customer service. And once you become a part of the Temco family, you'll see just how well you're taken care of.